Well, it's Wednesday, September 7th. Just got to the shop. We're going to pull the motor out so it can be taken to Dargie this weekend and get freshened up. What's up?
Hey, Jason.
What's going on? Yeah, got the radiator soaking in the kiddie pool. Get it all cleaned out, and you can see some of the dirt come out of it already. She's gonna get a heart transplant or a heart rebuild. It's out, ready to go to Dargie. One of our buddies is going to drop it off there Friday on his way to the World 100 to watch. So kill two birds with one stone. Be time to start putting it back together in no time. Gonna send the oil pump off and get it checked. So this is the oil pump, this is the power steering pump, and this is the fuel pump. Well, got a brand new oil pump, power steering pump, fuel pump, all assembled and ready to go in. Just got to put the pulley on, which we'll do once we get the motor in it and it in, so we can line it up how it needs to be on the belt drive. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like what you're seeing, hit that thumbs up button. Leave us a comment. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by clicking Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. We're about 50 subscribers away from hitting that 1,000 mark. As soon as we hit the 1,000 subscribers, we will be giving away at random one of Daryn's t-shirts from this year. Probably won't be a video for the next 2 weeks. Daryn is in full wedding mode, and then he will be on his honeymoon after he gets married on the 17th. So we'll probably be back in the shop in about 2.5 weeks. Thanks for watching.